Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you Spam Shu Bao. Heat a medium-sized sauté pan on high and add in the Spam. Lightly sauté for 2 minutes, stirring to prevent burning. Add in the shoyu, sugar, red food coloring, and Chinese 5-spice, and stir well for another minute. Then turn off the heat. Add in the green onions and stir well. Then divide the mixture into 6 portions in the pan and set aside to cool. Place the water, sugar, yeast, oil, and salt in a bowl and mix well using a spatula or spoon. Add in the flour and baking powder. Mix well until a smooth dough is formed. Divide the dough into 6 even-sized balls and roll them into circles about a 1/4 inch thick. Place 1 portion of the Spam filling in the center of each dough circle. Fold the edges of the circle upwards and pinch together, encasing the Spam mixture in the dough, and place the bao pinched side down on an oiled steamer or small square of parchment paper in the steamer. Steam for 15 minutes and enjoy hot. For this recipe and more, please visit kta superstores.com/recipes.